Commuting has never been easier, as we have the versatility of a bike and the power of electricity packed into one. KBO is not a very old brand, but a fast-growing name when it comes to electric bikes. Last September, KBO finally launched their latest electric bike called the KBO Breeze, a popular and reliable option for outdoor trips or any other day-to-day purpose. Being under $2,000, it became one of the most affordable bikes to get both hefty features and the power of electricity. In this video, we're going to share our thoughts and impressions of the KBO Breeze along with other KBO bikes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting from its build quality and sturdiness, this KBO commuter bike is built with a 6061 aluminum frame and 27.5-inch by 2.4-inch puncture-resistant tires from Panasonic. The tires are a bit wider, which will help you have a smooth and steady journey all the time. The front suspension fork is 80 millimeters long and has a good damping effect. Its aluminum alloy full fenders will protect you from water and mud splashes. Furthermore, it has a 170 millimeter forged alloy crank and alloy pedals with reflectors. Not only that, it comes with a KMC chain and a Shimano 7-speed derailleur that makes your pedaling experience better than ever. When it comes to comfort, the KBO Breeze has a sturdy and comfortable saddle of around 30 millimeters. This saddle can reduce the feeling of bumps and is easily adjustable. It comes with leather handles that look very premium and elegant. In the rear, it has a sturdy rack to carry your pet or something else while on a recreational trip. This fully electric bike has a total of 5 different levels of pedal assist, making your daily commute much easier. Knowing how comfortable it is, now let's see how it performs, shall we? This KBO commuter bike comes with a powerful, brushless geared motor hub, able to go to 750 watts at peak. As its name suggests, it'll let you paddle through city blocks and dirt roads like a breeze and weighs only 62 pounds. The right handlebar contains a throttler to accelerate you to your destination. Its 7-speed gear shifter from Shimano is designed to boost your riding experience and adapt to different terrains. To keep your day going, there's a 768-watt removable lithium-ion battery made from Samsung or LG battery cells. This high-capacity battery will provide you with up to 55 miles of riding with a single charge and has 900 full charge cycles. To beef this battery up in just 5 hours, you get a quick charge 3.0 amp. Now, talking about its safety features, this electric bike has a 48-volt LED headlight in the front to make your night rides safer. It also comes with an integrated rear light that lights up when you brake during a ride. A 180mm disc brake is present in both the front and rear wheels to provide you the perfect braking force even in rough conditions. An LED-BACKLIT dashboard is also there with all the information you'll need. A step-through version of the bike is also available if you're looking for something more comfortable. All of the features and components are the same as the KBO Breeze, but with limited color options. In case you're looking for a heavy-duty cargo bike, then the KBO Ranger is for you. Its monstrous brushless geared hub motor can go 900 watts at peak performance, along with an 840 watt-hour gigantic battery to provide 60 miles on a single charge. Ride through cities with style with the KBO Hurricane Stealth Urban Electric Bike. This is a simple and lightweight bike. It features a motor that can reach up to 350 watts and is powered by a 345 watt-hour lithium-ion battery while weighing only 36 pounds. But the KBO Breeze is a pretty solid choice for versatility, good range, and features. The Breeze from KBO can be your perfect all-rounder or other recreational trips with all these balanced facilities. But again, if you have any specific riding preference, you still have an option to choose from either the KBO Ranger, which is for those users looking for a heavy-duty cargo bike, or the KBO Hurricane, which is built for light usage and style. So that was all about it. Are you excited to get one of these KBO electric bikes? Let us know in the comments section. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this in your feed.